For this juice, you will need carrots. Carrots are high in vitamin A. Vitamin A support your eyes, your skin, and your immune system. And here we have a nice green apple. I prefer to use this kind of apple because it is not so sweet, and it gives a tangy flavor to whatever juice you add it to. Here we have a lemon that is high in vitamin C, that helps support, that is good for bleeding gums and loss of collagen. Collagen is what helps your skin to stay together, tight and firm. Here we have ginger. Ginger is powerful for improving digestive. Celery. Celery also improve relaxation and sleep. So we know we are about to have one of the healthiest juice you can ever have by combining all these vegetables together. So to my NutriBullet, I'm going to add 1 cup of carrot. You notice how I chop the carrot in small pieces, which is better for the NutriBullet. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of celery, a tablespoon of ginger. We're going to have, that's a small apple. This is 1 cup. And we're going to add 1/2 of a lemon. There you go, guys, the healthiest carrot smoothies. This tastes better when it's cold, so you can freeze your vegetables, or you can use ice instead of the water. You can use ice to have a colder smoothie, and it also goes down well with a straw. So enjoy, guys. We have our banana that is high in potassium, that is good for our heart. And we have the oatmeal here that is benefit for cholesterol. We have our Greek yogurt here that is high in protein, that will give us a fuller feel and also help build muscle or maintain muscle. Whole flax seeds are high in omega-3, that is good for our brains and also for our skin. So for our carrot smoothie, we're going to start off with our banana. We need 1 banana, ripe banana. This is 1/2 cup of oatmeal. We have here 1 tablespoon flaxseed. Here we have our carrot, but this carrot is boiled. I prefer to boil the carrot for this recipe to have a smoother texture. And we have our Greek plain non-fat yogurt. This is 1 cup. The carrot also is 1 cup of carrot. So here I have my spice. I have half a teaspoon of nutmeg and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add half a cup of water. This is the same water from the carrot, so I will not lose any nutrient from the carrot that went into the water. We are going to garnish this lovely creamy glass of carrot banana shake or smoothie with some cinnamon, just a small amount. There you go. So this is the final result of my carrot banana smoothie. You notice I didn't have to use any sugar because the banana already is sweet. The carrot is a little sweet. But you know, you can always add a tablespoon or teaspoon of honey, you know, just to boost the sweetness up a little if you like. We are about to make our carrot beet smoothie or shake. So first you will need, this is about half a cup of sliced fresh carrots. We have about quarter cup of chopped beets, and for this shake we're going to use some evaporated milk. This is about half a cup of evaporated milk. We are going to use about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk also. This shake is gonna be creamy. And we're gonna add some spice, some nutmeg, and we're gonna add a little sugar to this shake, some brown sugar, and we are going to add some vanilla. That's about a teaspoon. Our last ingredient, some water, about half a cup of water. So this is the final result of my carrot shake or carrot smoothie. Look at this lovely looking shake, guys. Oh, and my favorite one is the beets. Oh, that one, the flavor of the coconut and all the other ingredients. Oh my gosh, all my shakes are lovely. Guys, give my shakes or my smoothie a try. Drop a comment below, let me know how did yours came out, and don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.